children's books of all time is coming to video and DVD. Crockett Johnson's classic, Harold and the Purple Crayon. These timeless stories come to life in a beautifully animated series, narrated by Sharon Stone.
It was a ladybug. Harold wanted to say hello.
Wake up with Harold as his magical purple crayon draws upon the limitless world of a child's imagination. It's a watercolor wonderland, filled with lyrical music and bursting with curious and inventive creatures. Everywhere Harold goes, he makes new friends, and he learns important lessons about life. If you're ready to ride along with Harold and his friends, there's no adventure too big for the imagination of a child. So when it's time to say goodnight, our imagination, Harold and the Purple Crayon will delight you and make your child's imagination grow. Harold and the Purple Crayon.
Roll home on October 1st. Your Sesame Street friends are going to the movies.
Elmo doesn't think he's on Sesame Street anymore.
You can join Elmo, Oscar, and Big Bird
What chutzpah?
on the biggest adventure a little monster ever had.
Sounds like fun.
Only in theaters, The Adventures of Elmo in Grouchland. Rated G. Opens everywhere Friday. Body machines.
Go inside a real fire hall and learn all about firefighting from real firefighters. Speed into adventure and explore the life-saving machines firefighters use. Join mighty heroes using mighty machines on mighty missions. Mighty Machines, Lights and Ladders, now on DVD from N-Circle Entertainment. These awesome collector's editions have over 6 hours of earth-moving, wave-running, fast-flying, city-slicking Mighty Machines. I sure do love Mighty Machines. Mighty Machines from N-Circle Entertainment. In stores now. Smash, crash, and bang.
Welcome to a house where the normal routine
Good morning, everyone. The raspberry flapovers will be out in a moment.
is anything but.
The kitchen is closed.
The Muppets are back. They all had their place in the world. Except for Gonzo.
I've always wondered where I came from, who I am.
Hey, Gonzo, don't you think you ought to take a little break? You're starting to freak out the neighbors.
Now, he's about to find out he's not alone.
You look terrible. No, Little. I'm just fine.
People of Earth, do not be alarmed.
This summer, get ready for alien contact.
Little, come here. My Captain Alphabet is sending me a message. Said, are you there?
Are you sure it didn't say, are you nuts?
Close encounters. And other shocking moments.
La, 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 la. I should go change, okay?
The ship is calling me home.
The mood is tense.
My hair looks great out loud.
Let's go get Gonzo. I live in evidence.
This guy's just pretty chill. I'm gonna hurt.
Columbia Pictures and Jim Henson Pictures
Now, who wouldn't put too much gunpowder in the can?
take you where no Muppet has gone before.
This is Miss Piggy with your UFO alien exclusive. What? Hello, this is my story.
Whoa.
Muppets from space.
No nostrils. How do you smell?
Awful. Trust me, I'm his roommate.
A magical world of adventure and discovery is now yours to own on VHS and DVD.
Oh, come on in.
Columbia TriStar Home Entertainment has an extraordinary collection of some of the most fun-filled and educational family programs ever.
Ooh, that sounds like fun.
JJ the Jet Plane, Bear in the Big Blue House, Dragon Tales, Maggie and the Ferocious Beast, and coming soon, the magical adventure of imagination, Harold and the Purple Crayon. Zoom through life lessons, soar to new heights in learning, and let your imagination take flight
I like that idea.
with JJ the Jet Plane.
What a ride!
Bear in the Big Blue House, created by the Muppet Masters of the Jim Henson Company.
Hi there.
The ever-gentle Bear invites you to learn new things and sing along with his friends Tutter,
Look at me!
Ojo,
Me too!
Pip and Pop,
We're two rockin' actors.
Trilo,
Yeah!
and Luna.
On the moon. That was great.
It's the hit show Dragon Tales.
I wish with all my heart to fly with dragons in a land apart.
From Sony Pictures Entertainment and the creators of Sesame Street.
Come on, everybody!
Join Emmy, Max, and their dragon friends as they explore the magical world of Dragonland.
It's fantastic!
There's Cassie, Ord, Zack and Wheezy, and Quetzal.
Wish would have come true.
From award-winning Nelvana Studios, join a smart girl named Maggie, her playful pals,
Oh, boy.
and the not-so-ferocious Beast
Oh, beast.
in a place called Nowhere Land, based on the beloved children's book, Maggie and the Ferocious Beast.
And it was fun.
Soon to be released, one of the most popular children's books of all time is finally coming to life. Imagination and his purple crayon are all Harold needs to take you to brand new worlds of fantasy and make-believe. Crockett Johnson's classic, Harold and the Purple Crayon. These award-winning, educational, and fun-filled titles can be yours to watch again and again.
That's great!
Own the excitement on VHS and DVD.
See you soon.
And now, your feature presentation, not mine. machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines, lifting and pulling and flying so high, building up to the sky. You can watch them all day and never know why they're mighty machines. Hear them roar, watch them soar, sit right down and see. There are stories to enjoy for every girl and boy. Mighty machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines.
Hi, kids. Welcome to the Sawmill. This is the place where trees are turned into lumber. Lots of great big machines.
Bye, kids. Mighty machines.
I'm heading out to the lumber store. Maybe some of this wood will end up in your house, kids. It could make fences or decks. Maybe even a board. Bye for now. Thanks for visiting.
Mighty machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines, lifting and pulling and flying so high, building up to the sky. You can watch them all day and never know why they're mighty machines. Hear them roar, watch them soar, sit right down and see. There are stories to enjoy for every girl and boy. Mighty machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines.
New from Lyric Studios.
To the elephant, the tiger, tiger.
Coming October 1999 from Lyric Studios. Get ready to wiggle.